He's from the internet, a viral sensation in the programming universe. Everyone please welcome Byte.
Hello everyone, my name is Byte. I'm Byte. I'm Byte. I'm Byte. I'm Byte.
Imagine if Ninja got a low table face.
I'm gonna be your programming assistant in this journey. Programming is the process of telling a computer to perform tasks.
Make me a Starbucks latte!
Oh. First of all, you might be wondering, why am I telling you all this? Well, obviously, because you chose the video, but also, we need you. The world is changing, and fast. With artificial intelligence and these fancy Nancy robots, we need you to help and become a programmer and help this ever-changing world. Who knows? You could be the guy who creates a laser beam to destroy an asteroid in 2080. Or solve a global crisis. All of it is possible with programming. And at Programite, your journey to whatever you want to be starts now. So how would you start programming? Well, I would recommend a few things. First of all, there are so many programming languages. Let's give a comparison. You know how we have languages like English, Spanish, and many others? These are ways to communicate each other. This is just like programming. We have a lot of languages like Java, Python. I can name on forever. Well, not forever, but you get the point. While this may sound overwhelming, you only need to start with one language and branch out as you get better. There are even some unique programming languages that are extremely beginner friendly, such as Scratch. The point is, you have a lot of good options, so you don't need to worry. If you're looking for websites to write and run your code, I would recommend Visual Studio Code, Replit, and Processing, which is an easier version of Java. Visual Studio Code is very customizable. You have access to a lot of programming languages and has built-in debugging, and also has a lot of extensions, which is nice too. Replit is also a good place to code. It has a big community where you can get help with your code, and you can also collaborate with friends. And finally, I would recommend Processing. I might be a little biased because it was my first software I used to program, but it's basically an easier version of Java. So if you want to learn Java, I would totally recommend it. In all seriousness, even though Reddit is kind of a creepy site, there are actually a lot of smart people who can help you if you have any problems with your code, so I would definitely recommend it. And I would also recommend Quora. It's basically like Reddit, but without all those cursed images and crazy people. Like Reddit, you can actually get some good advice and ask questions about your code if you need it. And that brings us to my final piece of advice. YouTube. More specifically, this channel. Yes, I am plugging the channel. If you're just a beginner and you want to learn how to code in a fun way, a very fun way, you should watch me, please.
Please, I really want subscribers and likes. Please like the video. I need your support and please watch my coding videos.
Seriously though, I don't see many tutorials on coding that are fun. So if you want to learn how to code, you should consider watching me. My next video is going to be on the basics on code. I think I have gone over most things pretty much. My next video, as I said, will be the basics on coding. So if you join me in our intergalactic journey, I promise to make it as simple and fun as possible. Until next time, future programmers.
Imagine if Ninja got a low table face.